The biggest takeaway for me is that in the finding of the right solution, for the connected aircraft concept with customers will need to involve a lot of discussions, a lot of interactive discussions. I think it became very clear that requirements are very varied and nobody is exactly sure as to what it means even for themselves. So I think the key for me is to foster that spirit of collaboration between ourselves and our customers to make sure that we co-develop this concept together. So that for me it's the biggest takeaway, is that nobody's going to come up with an answer by themselves. It needs to be a collaborative effort.
I learned a lot from this seminar, because we are transitioning from an older version of flight planning to the new Seatown Air server.
My greatest takeaway is the business opportunities that we can have with all the messaging from the aircrafts, especially the connected aircraft, so things that we can do during the flight that today we don't. So there are some business opportunities.